Ka Shillong Municipal Board, lingba upiki boro Chief Executive Officer, kalapan pa bayabentahi, kampat la ban ong halor ka jingseo by Lutksan sa Longïing uba Marshal Marwen, ublayap na marka jing sya telap hau nyut ha Marten. Habakret kilat patai kubor ha ka janmiet jong hendriu tarik urempang arja arpsau, hadin ka jingwan jingo ikate ka jaka, hadin balasay ka met yap jong uba Marshal, uboro ulaong, baka office kandang Ïakren halor ka ni ka benta. Kumban sukdaw, boba Marshal ubaju im da kabatam bilor plastik bat marjat ha Marten, haka step jong ka laitari urempang arja arpusau, ulah hiar sya ka jaka ka balong tem banta bigi bilor plastik, bat kitin jan, wat hapdeng ka jing maham baka day ka jaka ka pasyong sir, bat senjor. Laong boba Marshal uklampen sengap satiai ka ni ka jing maham, bat kum tahi unyut ulah tua, bat latap lut shisendan yu Kamet yap jong ba Marshal kala ing malumala namar ka jingpur ka ding ka bla thang nyut pat praru la ka jong na ka jing suba dei pakhu da ki beniat jong ka JCB hakapor ba wad bat krai ban lap yu
What is the decision of the board? Is there any compensation will be paid to the deceased?
This will be decided. We'll sit down for that.
Okay. How much can we expect?
No, it will be taken. This decision will be taken by us. Don't worry. All the action will be taken by us.
Okay.
After this incident, what kind of step will be taken so that it won't happen again?
No, we'll try to strategize some policy. We have noticed this incident should not be repeated in future.
This person is deceased. It's a full staff of the municipal or?
No, it's a registered red pickers
Yes.
from a municipal board.
How do you strategize
We'll identify some areas which are vulnerable.
Okay.
In a vulnerable area, we'll identify those areas as a restricted area, so that no one can go and pick up garbage from there.
But you already have those kind of regulation before, no?
Yes, we used to have, but it's an unfortunate incident, and this incident should not be repeated in future.
Do you have any enforcement, to make sure that they monitor that this violation of restriction?
Yes, we have got our own staff here. They do this decision alone. Generally, the red pickers they don't go to the vulnerable place. But for that unfortunate incident, I don't want to tell anything. Actually, it's a teamwork. First of all, I would like to congratulate, especially my municipal staffs who are on the spot, directing the JCB drivers to coordinate with the concerned stakeholders, especially the STR to retrieve the missing dead body. After 3 days tireless effort, we are able to retrieve the missing dead body today. That's why I'm very happy. At the same time, I would like to congratulate all the persons directly and indirectly who are involved in these operations. We have our staff, they have taken pain, they worked tirelessly. On the first day, they stopped the operation at 4 a.m. Second day, we again started after 7 a.m. We never stopped, and the operation started in the presence of the relatives of the deceased. We always took the consent from the relatives how to go ahead. Because of that thing, I would like to congratulate all the stakeholders, Rongbas, Nongs and all, for their moral support. Because of them only now today we are successful in this operation. We used to substitute them, but since it is their gases are toxic, that's why I have told my staff, if possible, please send them at least for medical checkup, so that we will be able to come to know.